Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Leslie Liliana. I mostly do DIYs on how I do my hair and stuff like that. Definitely check out my other videos so you get like a type of view of me, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I DIY this high ponytail in two ways. And if you're wondering, this is my hair. It has grown. If you watched my hair journey, you definitely see that my Afro has grown a little bit. It's thick, you know, it's like really thick, volume, healthy, really bouncy, really healthy. Enough with the chit chat, let's get into the video. So yeah, I'm using the Cream of Nature Argan oil from Morocco, Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. This one. Going with my wide comb. And I can go smoothly in, like, wow, you know. If it's not that soft, you should definitely start at the end of your hair and then work it through like that, you know. Work in sections because it's easier, and I want my ponytail to lay as flat as possible without using any heat. My Ecostyler gel, this one. My Got2b glue, and afterwards I will use my hairspray from Got2b as well. I'm gonna start at the back of my hair. You can use a red tail comb or your fingers. So I'm gonna use my fingers, and I'm just gonna section. Sit in for, let's say, 15 to 20 minutes and then take it off. But if you want a faster way, you can definitely put on your scarf and then take a blow dryer and make sure it's not on a high temperature, just like a low temperature, and just blow it on top for like 3 minutes or something like that, or less, and it will give you the same results as well. As possible, and then use a rubber tie or any type of hair tie you have at the moment with you, and secure it as small as possible, like this. Maybe small, it depends on how much hair you have or how thick your hair is. The hair piece, so it's from Sleek, and it has these two combs in it and an adjustable tie or something like that. I don't know how you call it. Obviously go in the back because of the tag, and then this one in the front. Pull it here. So if you want to use this piece, make sure you secure it very well, because you don't want somebody to just grab it and run away with it, because that will be awful. If you just leave it like that and you don't tie it really good, you know what's gonna happen? Hold up. Hey! So they took it because they didn't secure it. That's what's gonna happen, okay? Secure your piece on your head, please. Place it on your little bun. This teeth here, just slide it underneath your bun, and you do the same thing for the back. Okay, so when it's secured, you're just gonna, the adjustable rope here, if you have it, and tight it. It has to be tight enough that you can handle, not too tight that after like a few minutes your head start to hurt. Don't do that. Just tight it till you feel like, oh yeah, it's secured, you know? Yeah, it's secured, but it's not 100% secured. So what I like to do with this one is I'm gonna wrap it around. I'm just gonna take a bobby pin, as you can see, pin it away from the front so you can't see it. Still don't like how your front is laying down. The only thing, the one thing that I do is I take a piece from the back, just brush it out, because you want it to be as sleek as possible. And you wrap it around. Of hair, and I'm going to braid it in my hair. If I would have braided just like this, it won't have worked because my own hair is super mega short, just because it's up here, so I need more length. The Fashion Idol by Sleek. 12 color 2. I'm going to start at the end of my weft. It's really long. And I'm going to apply some glue here. The glue that I'm using is Salon Pro Hair Bonding Glue. This one. Where my rubber tie starts. Very important that where you start is secured. You can't just start wrapping it all the way up. You have to secure the beginning first. You can either choose by using a bobby pin or using some bonding glue. Now I'm going to use the bonding glue. And I just wait till it's kind of dry. And if you want to go a little bit quicker, you can take your blow dryer, which I'm about to do. And every time I apply glue, I'm just going to blow it so it dries. This glue really dries really quick. I'm just going to repeat the process. I'm going to apply some bonding glue. Start wrapping it around. I'm just gonna take my blow dryer like I told you guys. For a minute and you see it's secure because it's not coming loose. It's really that easy. You glue, you twist it around, you use your blow dryer, you wait a minute till it's dry, then you continue, then you continue, then you continue. When I reach the top, I'll come back. So I've reached where my hair is actually starting. So you reach the end, and like the beginning, you have two options. You can either use a bobby pin to secure it, or you can just go ahead and use the bonding glue to secure it. I'm just gonna secure the end the way how I started it, by using the bonding glue. It's not coming loose. And I'm going to start with my second bundle. I stopped right here. So I'm just going to continue and attach the bonding glue on top of the hair where I started. And repeat the same process. Was not enough, but luckily for me I do have some hair here lying down that I didn't use, so I'm going to just make my ponytail more filled because how it's looking right now is like bitch wood. For this one I'm not going to use any glue. I'm just going to wrap it around and I'm going to use a bobby pin to secure it. The end is right here. So now it's secured. I'm just gonna brush all over the hair. Ooh, this is a lot of hair. Take a piece of hair from the back. It kind of look Ariana Grande-ish, don't you think? But well, bitch, I can link too soon. I love these shorter pieces here. It gives me like extra life. I don't know. Finishing look, you guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it's absolutely freaking free. Okay, so as for now, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.